It's time to stop wasting energy, effort, and food. The old-fashioned ways of doing things don't always cut it, and when you're baking, cooking, or just plain trying to eat, these tips step up your game in the kitchen, so you can basically be a Jedi cook. We here at Come Along have put together our list of the food hacks to make you a Jedi in the kitchen. Freeze oatmeal in muffin tins. If you can't stand the flavor of instant oatmeal, but don't have the time to make old-fashioned oats every morning, make a big batch over the weekend, divide the cooked oats in a muffin tin, freeze, then transfer to a resealable freezer bag. So brilliant! A simple trick for measuring gooey ingredients. Sticky ingredients like honey and molasses come off of measuring cups and spoons if you spray the tools with non-stick spray first. A better way to freeze bananas for smoothies, banana bread, and more. Overripe bananas can be saved by freezing 1-inch chunks on parchment paper. Don't have day-old bread? Here's how to fake it. Many recipes may call for day-old bread like stuffing, French toast, and bread pudding. And this simple hack slowly dries out fresh bread without toasting it. The fastest way to thaw meat. Thaw meat without getting food poisoning by setting it in a mixing bowl and letting room temperature water run into the bowl. No-fail, fluffy quinoa. There's no bigger bummer than crunchy quinoa. Keep it ultra fluffy by cooking it like pasta, then steaming it. Marshmallows soft in brown sugar. Keep brown sugar soft or rehydrate it from a rock-solid state by throwing a marshmallow into the bag or airtight container. Make cakes from a mix taste better. The trick to better tasting cakes from a box involves adding your own sprinkles and making homemade frosting. Keep your cutting board from slipping. Don't let your cutting board slip as you cut by adding a damp dishcloth underneath the board. Let us know what you think in the comments section down below, and we'll pin our favorite to the top. Don't forget to give us a like if you enjoyed this video. We have a ton of more interesting videos on Come Along, so make sure to hit the red subscribe button and come along and join us for the ride. Also, hit the notifications button if you haven't already to get notified almost every single day with our newer videos. Thank you so much for watching.